everyone. Today we are going to dive deeper into the concept of the bottom of the pyramid or BOP, focusing on the markets around the world as well as in India. Our objective today is to explore the structure, numbers and immense potential of these markets while also comparing and contrasting their unique characteristics. So, let us get started. First, we will see BOP in the world. What is their structure and potential globally? The BOP markets represents a vast segment of around 4 billion people, which is nearly two-thirds of the world's total population. This market encompasses diverse groups across continents like Africa, Asia and Latin America, each with its own unique cultural and economic background. So, let us start discussing structure of the global BOP. First, we will see geographical spread of it. The global BOP is spread across both rural and urban areas. In countries like India, China, Brazil and Nigeria, BOP populations are significant. In Africa, for example, the BOP consumers are mainly located in rural settings, where they face limited access to basic services like clean water, electricity and education. On the other hand, in Latin America, the BOP segment is more urbanized, with large populations residing in informal settlements or slums, where they have better access to certain services, but they face challenges related to overcrowding and inadequate housing. Access to resources are low, so access to essential resources such as clean water and electricity remains a critical challenge for the global BOP. Only about 60% of the global BOP population has reliable access to clean water and even fewer have consistent electricity supply. However, there are positive signs of change. Technological advancements such as mobile banking and solar energy solutions are starting to bridge some of these gaps. A great example is, as we discussed in last class, Kenya's M-Pesa, a mobile money transfer service. It allows millions of Kenyans to save, transfer and invest money even without a traditional bank account. This is a powerful example how technology can empower BOP communities. Let us see potential of the global BOP market. The first thing we will discuss market size. The global BOP market is valued at over $5 trillion annually. This immense market potential is driven by the sheer number of consumers and their aggregated demand for affordable goods and services. Companies like Unilever and Procter & Gamble have successfully tapped into this market by designing low-cost products tailored for BOP consumers, such as single-use sachets of shampoo and detergent. They are affordable for daily purchase. Second, we will see innovations and growth opportunities. The global BOP market is also a hotbed for innovation. Safaricom's M-Pesa service in Kenya is an excellent example. It not only brought financial service to millions of unbanked people, but also inspired similar innovations worldwide. In India, companies like Airtel have adopted similar technologies to introduce mobile money services, providing that innovation in one BOP market can often be replicated across other regions. Now, let us talk about BOP in India. What is its structure and market dynamics? Let us shift our focus to India. The BOP market in India is massive, comprising approximately 997 million people or nearly 80% of country's population. This market is characterized by a dual structure that includes both rural and urban segments, each presenting its own set of challenges and opportunities. Let us talk about structure of the BOP market in India. First, it is rural dominant. Around 70% of India's BOP population resides in rural areas, where access to infrastructure and services is often limited. In these regions, people face challenges such as inadequate healthcare, lack of clean water, limited access to education. However, there are signs of progress. Rural BOP consumers are increasingly accessing technology and information. Thanks to initiatives like ITC eChopal, which provides real-time agricultural data to farmers in helping them make informed decisions and improve their livelihood. Now let's talk about urban BOP segment, which is little low than rural. The urban BOP in India is primarily concentrated in slums and informal settlements of major cities like Mumbai, Delhi and Kolkata. While these consumers often have better access to electricity, internet and other services, they still grapple with issues such as overcrowding, inadequate sanitation and limited formal employment opportunities. However, the rise of digital wallet like Paytm highlights the growing adoption of digital payment system even among low income groups in urban India. Let's talk about what is the potential of the BOP market in India. India being a large diverse market both in way of dynamic and diverse with an estimated potential value of over $1 trillion. This market offers significant opportunities for companies that can tailor products to meet the specific need of both rural and urban consumers. For instance, Hindustan Unilever's Shakti program leverages local women entrepreneurs to distribute product directly to rural consumers, creating job and expanding market reach simultaneously. Let's talk about digital transformation in India. The digital revolution is reshaping the BOP market in India. The introduction of the Jio 4G network has brought affordable internet access to millions of low-income consumers, opening up a new opportunities for digital literacy, e-commerce and financial inclusion. Consequently, companies increasingly view the Indian BOP market as a digital frontier where new technologies can drive both social and economic development. Now next we will compare and contrast BOP markets of world and BOP markets of India. Let's see some similarities and differences. So let's now explore some key similarities and differences between the global and Indian BOP markets. First, starting with similarities. Aspirations and demand for affordable innovation. BOP consumers, whether in India or elsewhere, are highly aspirational. They seek better products, services and opportunities. For example, the widespread adoption of mobile phones among BOP consumers globally illustrate a shared demand for affordable communication. In India, the success of low-cost smartphones has connected millions of people to the internet. Globally, companies like Amazon are training small vendors to reach BOP consumers by developing local brands, demonstrating the potential for innovative business model. Second similarity is entrepreneurship as a common pathway. Micro-entrepreneurship is a common theme across BOP markets. Local entrepreneurship such as a small shopkeeper in Indian village or mobile money agents in Kenya plays a vital role in bridging gaps in service delivery and generating income for low-income consumers. Programs like Hindustan Unilever's Shakti in India, Kenya's M-Pesa agent, this kind of networks exemplify how businesses can effectively reach BOP markets by partnering with local entrepreneurs. Now, this is time to see some differences between global BOP and Indian BOP market. First difference is of market structure and accessibility. The global BOP market is more geographically diverse, with different regions facing unique challenges and opportunities. For instance, the BOP market in Africa is predominantly rural, while in Latin America it is more urbanized. In contrast, India's BOP market has a distinct rural-urban divide, requiring different strategy for each segment. Companies targeting rural area might focus on affordable agriculture inputs or solar lighting solutions, whereas those targeting to urban slums may prioritize digital payment system and micro insurance product. Now let's talk about the second difference, which is adoption of digital solution. While digital adoptions varies across global BOP market, India has experienced a rapid uptake of digital technologies driven by affordable data, plans and government initiatives. This unique environment allows digital solutions to reach even the most remote villages. The success of Unified Payment Interface UPI in India is a testament to how government and private sector collaboration can drive digital financial inclusion, contrasting with regions where digital infrastructure remains less developed. Now we are even looking towards ULI, where Unified Lending Infrastructure. To conclude, understanding the structure, size and dynamics of the BOP market in both global and Indian context unveil vast opportunity for growth and innovation. While this market share common traits such as aspirations for better living standard and demand for affordable innovation, they also differ in their structure, accessibility and readiness for digital transformation. By recognizing these nuances, business can develop targeted strategies to effectively serve these diverse markets, driving sustainable growth while contributing to social development. So, thank you for joining today and I hope you are finding this session insightful, and for further classes we will see you in next class.